Repost someone else's stories. Hey guys, how are you? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. Guys, in this video, I show you how you can repost someone else's stories here on Instagram. Process, folks, it's very quick and very easy. First step, guys, you go here in your Instagram messages, click here on the messages icon. Here, folks, you will click on the person you want to share this story with. I clicked here. Here, guys, you will look for which story is tagged that the person tagged you. So here, the person tagged me, mentioned you in the story itself. So here's the story, guys. You will click here on add to your story. So here, guys, is the story. You can write text if you want. You can put stickers here. It will be up to you guys how you want to share this story. So up here, you're going to have a couple of options. Once you have everything ready, guys, you will click here on this button, this blue button down here, and you will share it on your story, guys. Just click here on share. So these are for the people who marked you, guys. Leo, and if I wasn't tagged, is there a way to share? Guys, there is a way with this new Instagram update. They allowed it. As much as the person didn't tag you, you can share it. So you click here on the little plane down here, and you're going to click here on add to history. You can do the processes I talked about earlier. Put text, stickers, music. It will depend on you guys. You can use creativity the way you want. Then guys, you will click on the blue button and click on share. Guys, did you do it? Put it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll stop here, guys. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks.